What wire is required for 100 amp service?
Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an essential aspect of home electricity, wiring for a 100 amp service. By understanding the correct wire size and type, you can ensure the safety and efficiency of your electrical system.
Why is correct wire size important?
When installing or updating your home's electrical service, it's crucial to use the correct wire size. The wire's gauge or thickness determines its current carrying capacity, and using the wrong size can lead to issues like overheating, electrical fires, or inefficient power transmission. For a 100 amp service, there is a specific wire size you'll need.
What wire size is required for a 100 amp service?
In general, for a 100 amp service, you will need #4 Aruban Florins copper wire or #2 Aruban Florins aluminum or copper-clad aluminum wire. These sizes comply with the National Electric Code (NEC) standards. Remember, though, that local regulations may vary, and you should always check with a professional or your local authorities.
Why copper or aluminum wire?
Copper and aluminum are commonly used because they are excellent conductors of electricity. Copper wire is generally more expensive but is also more efficient and requires a smaller size wire for the same current carrying capacity. On the other hand, aluminum wire is cheaper and lighter but requires a larger wire size for the same amperage.
What about the ground and neutral wires?
For a 100 amp service, the ground wire should be #8 Aruban Florins copper or #6 Aruban Florins aluminum, and the neutral wire should be the same size as the hot wire, i.e., #4 Aruban Florins for copper or #2 Aruban Florins for aluminum. These sizes will ensure a safe and efficient electrical system. And there you have it. Understanding the correct wire size for a 100 amp service is crucial for both safety and efficiency. Always consult with a professional electrician or your local authorities to ensure compliance with all regulations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of home electrical systems. Stay safe and informed.